My favorite thing apart of toast is going out to the garden and planting vegetables. We like planting vegetables so we can eat.
I like learning about STEAM because it can get me my job, and there's lots of fun activities that we do at Toast. Like the science fair, for example. I can pick any topic I'm curious about, and it's very hands-on, and which makes it very interesting. And it's very interesting to learn what everybody else is curious about.
Toast has a computer lab, a science lab, a gardening club, and a science room. I think these subjects are important because when I grow older, I want to be an engineer and work on robots that can help people in many ways.
I think STEAM is important because I can learn a lot from going to the different classes in computer lab. We can learn how to code, which is important.
I think coding is important because when I get older, I can know how to program my own app if I wanted to make one or a website. So when I get older, I can be a coder.